Welcome back. This is our third video in which we are going to start taking HTML elements one by one. So let's start with title. So when you want to have a title to a HTML file, you use a title h1 element. H1 element tag, when you use it, you also close that particular HTML tag. Most of the HTML tag, they have opening and the closing tag, but some have only one single tag which mark the beginning and the end of that particular tag. So when you have something like this, an introduction with a h1 tag, if we go to our browser, we refresh, it's going to display it in form of title. That is the first layer, the highest layer of a title. Then if you want to have the second layer, each layer, the higher the number of your H, the smaller it will be. So the second one is the H2. You use the word, let's use the same thing, introduction. Let's go to H3 also and use the word introduction. Let's go and refresh and refresh to see the effect. You have to click refresh. Can you see introduction 1, introduction 2, and introduction 3? So and the next one is introduction 4, H4. Let's say MCA. Let's make it shorter. H5, MCA. Then H6, MCA. So let's see which one is the last number. When you refresh, you see it's keep on going. The last number is MHC, H6. But if we try to say H7, you see, even H7, if the moment you type H7, you press tab, it will not complete it, meaning H6 is the last tag, is the last element for title on your work, on what you call it, on HTML. So this is how to put H1 depending on the title of the page, the size you want to put. So H1, if you want the biggest one, the largest one, you use H1. If you want the one following it, something like that, this is how to provide title to your page. So let's remove everyone and just keep one. For example, we make it, let's say H2. Then the next element we are going to see is P, paragraph element. Paragraph element is an element that will define a paragraph. So in this area, let me go to Microsoft Word and recreate something called just a random text and copy everything. Just we want to have a body to our, what do you call it, to our work. We go here and paste it. We Control S, we save. We go to our browser, we refresh. So this is how it will display our work on a page. If it is too much, we reduce it by clipping some of the paragraphs within our work. We refresh. It's too big again. We find another area that says that something like this. We save again. So when you refresh, it will display your text. But look at the age. The age is not well justified. We'll cover how to make age justified text in another video. So when you have another paragraph, you just go outside this one, you recreate another paragraph, you paste whatever you have there. So when you go there, if you refresh, it will give you another page on a different paragraph, another page, something like this, another content on the same page. So this is how to create a paragraph within a page. Let me stop here. I don't want the video to be more than 5 minutes, so that at least it will be short and precise for a beginner to follow.